Right, as promised in one of my other videos, I'm going to show you this. I've got one from Aldi. It's a 3-in-1, thought that was oil, 3-in-1 mini soldering torch. 3 functions: soldering, hot air blowing and microflame. And I'm going to do an unboxing video, because I never do unboxing videos and I don't know why anybody does, but let's give it a go, see what happens. So you do that, and you do that, and there's the instructions, and you do that. There it is. It's out of the box. Great. I feel so much better now. Now, unboxing videos are the domain of YouTube. In fact, it almost defines YouTube. But be honest, have you ever seen this? There you go, the putting it back in the box video. I've invented something. After all these years I knew I'd be famous for something. And there you go. What a load of crap. Just watch that through a few or three times and that's your evening's entertainment sorted. Sad buggers. Right, let's have a look what it really does. It comes in a box, which is brilliant because you can keep it all together. And it's easy to use. You press that, push that forward, do you? No, you press that and pull that back and it whistles and gets hot. There you go. I don't know how it can not work. If that gets hot and it melts the solder, bingo. Got 3 nozzles. Three nozzles, but you can't get them out. Oh, there you go. That's the one we want. Thing is, how long does it take to get hot enough to melt the solder? Whoops. Let's see. Are you ready for this? Press that, pull that back. There we go. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, oh, there's a bit of a smell, 14, they are about 14-15 seconds. That'll do, won't it? Quicker than electric. There you go. Brilliant. I reckon that's going to be quite useful. Plus it goes in the box. Oh, I'll tell you what else. It's got this on it for the blower. That's a shield for... I'll tell you what I'm going to use that for. I don't know about you, but when I use shrink sleeving, I always use the soldering iron and work it one side and then the other side. That will go all the way around it and do it. So like I've just twigged this now, and that's obviously soldering iron. And then you undo this when it's cooled, and that's a hot air gun, a small hot air gun coming out of there, and that slides over there for doing your shrink sleeving. Then, or you can put that back in or use the other nozzles, obviously. Then this unscrews here, and that's your burner, and then that bit drops out of there. Put that back in there, And you've got a bigger burner, I presume, like that. Excellent. Versatile or what? I reckon that's a good buy at 15 quid.